The most important thing, we are hosting flag, we are hosting Indian flag at first time in BJP party at Lal Chowk. That is the beauty and duty of BJP party.
May 17 आर्मी रिक्रूटमेंट पेपर लीक, दिसंबर 18 गुजरात पुलिस कांस्टेबल पेपर लीक,
ये तो धोती खोल रहा है।
सितंबर 2020 नेशनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सेंटर पेपर लीक, नवंबर 21 यूपी टेट पेपर लीक, May 2022
of corruption, because of unemployment, because of inflation, because of GDP day by day increase and decrease.
GDP is increasing. It is okay, man.
Every day, in every month, exam is leaking. That type of job you are providing. That type of and normalization is going on. What is this, sir? This is a discrimination between students.
Yes. Thank you, sir. No problem, sir. Come here.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Welcome, sir. Please, sir, have a seat. Right. All right, dear spokespeople and spokespersons, I welcome you all to talk about the beauty of this country. I know you are representing so many parties, and in this political conference, you are going to talk about what is the reality. Is this BJP government ruling well or not? Let us not defame any party. Let us talk on the authentication. And that is why today, hypothetically, we have spokespeople. I know they are not really supporting any party, but today we are really going to talk about so many things. Because of our voice, maybe a lot of people are just going to take action. Maybe a lot of people are going to be aware as well. Here on this stage or in this political conference, we have BJP party, we have Congress party, we have Samajwadi party, we have Aam Aadmi party. And happily, I would be inviting each and every spokesperson to come on this stage and convey your message, whatever your party is doing. But it's very humble request, dear spokespeople and spokespersons, do not talk in a very speed. Yes, be very humble and speak whatever comes in your mind. By the way, आज पूछता है भारत क्या होने वाला है. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Akash. Please, he has come. He was very busy in Australia, but today for this, conference, he has come. Thank you very much, sir. Please, Akash. Akash, please come to the stage. Sir, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here. Nice to have you on this stage, sir. Please, sir, come have a seat. Munni bhai, chai le aao. Right. So, sir, thank you so much for joining us. So, today you are representing Congress party, sir. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling very marvelous, sir.
Marvelous?
Yes, sir.
So, which government is good? Congress government is good or BJP or Samajwadi?
Congress party is very good, sir.
It's very
in
good.
our country.
Sir, wait for the time. Mausam bigadne wala bhi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a spokesperson from Delhi, he has come to address us. He was very busy. I don't know in alcohol or what, but he was very busy, guys. Let's welcome Mr. Vimal. Please come to the stage from Aam Aadmi Party. Sir, please come on the stage. Sir, thank you very much for joining us. It is really nice to have you. Sir, please have a seat.
You can check. I am okay with
You're okay?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, he's okay. Please sit down. All right, I would like to invite Master. Please, Munni Lal is calling you. You have to go. Please come here. Come. Munni Lal is calling you. Come, go. It's very emergency. You have to go. I think fire brigade is coming, right? All right, let us invite from BJP party. Of course, he has come in Bhagwa color, but he couldn't choose the right color. I think he doesn't know the real meaning of the Bhagwa color. Let us invite from BJP party, Mr. Rashid. Sir, it is really nice to have you. And I'm feeling inferiority complex, sir. Sir, welcome on this stage, sir. Please have a seat. I would like to invite a person from Samajwadi Party. Let us invite Mr. Rakesh. Sir, please come and join us. Mr. Rakesh has come actually from Uganda. He's doing a lot of things in Uganda with Judith. Right. So thank you very much, sir, for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
This Well Talk platform is actually, yes. Thank you, sir. No problem, sir. Come here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Please, sir, have a seat. Right, sir. I'm so sorry to disrespect you, sir. Are you okay, sir? No problem, sir. He used to be okay. Guys, I'm so afraid. You know why? I'm so afraid. You know why? Soon we will come in the power, right? By the way, guys, I am not biased, kind of. First of all, disclaimer for you: do not slap anybody.
Okay, sir.
Actually, he's not drunk today. It is absolutely okay. So, Mr. Vimal, I would like to start from you. In Delhi, everything is going good. But still, you want to come in the power. You want to come in the central. Why so?
Sir, it's a nature. First of all, sir, I want to tell you that I am not interested in politics, and also you give me a role, so I am saying like that. And I personally think that it's nature of human that to improve ourselves, to improve our power, to enlarge our power and enlarge the area of our power. So that's why Aam Aadmi Party is doing good in Delhi. We all know that, and we want to know to do in other states also. So that's why they are.
So, dear Indian people, you need to listen. Mr. Vimal has told that in Delhi government, Kejriwal is doing really good. That's why he thinks that Kejriwal must be in all the states. Mr. Rakesh, okay, as you couldn't win the election actually, right? What was the reason that in 2022 you couldn't win? And please tell what are the problems are you facing, or the people are facing here in this country because of BJP government?
Thank you, sir. Firstly, giving our reply, and before I would like to say two lines. The line is that नेताओं ने कैसा हिंदुस्तान कर दिया, नेताओं ने ये कैसा हिंदुस्तान कर दिया, बेजान इमारतों को भी हिंदू और मुसलमान कर दिया. Guys, doesn't mean we have come or not, but upcoming 27 we are about to come. It is my promise to you all, and we are about to come. Firstly, what's happened in 17? There was some issue like in my party and was not good collaboration to each other. That's why it's happened. But we have right now each and everything fit and fine. And we are about to come, and definitely we will come upcoming 27.
Okay, so you believe that in 2027 you will come back?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Do you have any problem with the BJP government actually?
Yes, sir, I have lots of problems. We have lots of problems.
Please, sir, go
BJP government. This is not good for our country.
Oh, excuse me. It's not good for our country. Why?
Yes,
so?
sir. Because, sir, there are in our country there are many problems, and people face lots of problems because of corruption, because of unemployment, because of inflation, because of GDP day by day increase and decrease.
GDP is increasing. It is okay, man.
Decrease, sir. Decrease. Inflation is increase and GDP is decrease. Yes, sir. Rape cases. That's why lots of cases happens.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So here, Mr. Rakesh Yadav, actually representing spokesperson of Samajwadi Party, he's trying to say that in 2027, we will come back. Mr. Rashid, what is your preparation actually to defeat Mr. Rakesh again? Samajwadi Party.
Sir, first of all, there is no need of preparation to defeat him. People will definitely show how we are doing great and how we'll do after 2027. Before 2023 election, you was saying that we will come. But now you all can say who will come and who will next come. So that's all. No need to say anything, sir.
Okay, yes.
Sir, especially for BJP party, I have one thing, and I'm going to tell you. Firstly, तोड़ कर जनता का सपना हर सपना ये खाक करते हैं. तोड़ कर जनता का सपना हर सपना ये खाक करते हैं. शर्म ना आता तनिक भी इनको जो देश जोड़ने की बात करते हैं. सर, yes, sir, doesn't mean you have need any preparation for or not, but upcoming time in 27 you have idea about what's happening in Lok Sabha Chunav. So definitely upcoming time in UP Uttar Pradesh, everything would be fit and fine. We are about to come or not. So just it was the trailer. We have come around 37 seats we have got in Uttar Pradesh in Lok Sabha, and upcoming times in Uttar Pradesh in Rajya Sabha also we would be the umpire. We have umpire upcoming times, so don't worry. We are about to come. That time we will reply you.
You guys are only predicting what? Why are you guys not talking about जनता? गरीबी पे आप कभी बात नहीं करते हैं. आप लोग कभी भी जो है बेरोजगारी बात नहीं करते हैं. You guys always talk about हम आएंगे, हमारे आगे क्या करेंगे? और आपका क्या हाल है सर जी? आप सिर्फ सुन रहे हैं? Sir, say something actually, right? In Uttar Pradesh, there is a fight between Samajwadi Party and BJP Party. Why are you interrupting? You are becoming just like kebab ki haddi.
Sir, as we are representing Aam Aadmi, so we think like that we are Aam Aadmi and we think like Aam Aadmi. And we have seen in recent election, at the time of election, one of our member of the party, they wanted to come in Uttar Pradesh and they wanted to survey of like government school. Then UP government like forced them to stop and they have not come, and that's why we are not like we wanted to show the reality of the condition of the government school in UP, but like you can see in Delhi what is the condition of the education, what is the condition of the department which we have, and there are lots of department we don't have and there are lots of department we have. So that name of department we have like water and electricity and education. You can go and see in Delhi what is the level of the education sector, and water supply is free, electricity is free for limited period of time, and so we want to do more things in other states, but people who are ruling on these states, they are like banned us, and they are not supposed to, they are not want that we would come.
Sir, don't you think that you know this sasti revdi and free revdi will destroy this country? You freebies, this free. Sir, आप अपने जेब से दे रहे हैं क्या? You are spoiling the money of central government and you are saying free. What is this?
But sir, what is the ration which is given by the central government from last 7 to 10 years free from the time of COVID? So the same logic we are giving.
What do you think, ration? This scheme is not good for the Indian people.
We think that both schemes are good. In his scheme is also good, our scheme is also good.
Oh, excuse me. It means, guys, in future, Aam Aadmi is going to have coalition with the BJP party.
No.
You are complimenting and you are happy with that government, of course, right?
As we all know that there are some good things, and as we all know that there are some good things and there are some bad things also. So I think that ration scheme is good thing about that party. Yeah, same as that. But there are some bad things also, as our member from Congress has come, so I will give this duty to him.
Mr. Akash from Congress, he's sleeping actually. Sir, you are sleeping here?
I want to say something about BJP parties. BJP parties only talk about religions and caste, but cannot focus poverty, cannot focus corruption, cannot focus doing job.
Exactly.
Do job. And Congress party, we have made a lot of things at that times, and made a lot of factory, a lot of every state, a lot of given agriculture and a lot of.
Of course, right.
But and sir, BJP parties disrespect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Nehru, Patel, Gandhi ji, and shame on sir. And Amit Shah said that, sir, Dr. Ambedkar.
Oh my
and disrespect. What do you think, sir? About
oh my God! Wait! Our actually minister has come, right? Minister has come. Please, everyone, welcome Miss Uma. She has come from Hyderabad. Please welcome, ma'am. Please come to the stage. Please have a seat, ma'am. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining from Congress Party. Uma, minister has come actually, right? You are the president of Congress Party, I think so. Yes, sir. Please have this.
Ma'am, this also.
थैंक यू सर। मेरे प्यारे भाई और बहनों, मैं उमा फ्रॉम कांग्रेस पार्टी। टुडे आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज गोइंग इन नाउअडेज बाय फ्रॉम बीजेपी। As we know, Congress made government and everything, but after making, just BJP is like ruling. Just BJP is take rest only. Nothing is doing. That is a very bad thing. And I am just thinking why people are just giving. Do you know why BJP selected as a government? Because BJP is rolling and they're just bringing and money. And they're just giving 5,000, 10,000 for taking boats. That is not good. And I am very, very sad because you can see what is the education system nowadays. You can see what is the going on. You can see what is the going on in India. And GST is applying in each and everything. Think how poor people can survive, how, and population is increasing and BJP is not doing each and every, nothing is doing. Miss BJP is only focusing how to earn money. And do you know BJP allowed FDI, foreign direct investment? That is a very bad thing for our country because FDI every year, huge down tree, 14 crores. And do you know because of pollution is increasing day by day. So I shamed on BJP. Think about what can BJP can do. Nothing. Congress is the best government.
So she was talking about unemployment. Ma'am, you should learn what we are providing. We are providing lots of vacancies in RRB. Recently, we provide UP Constable. We provide Central Armed Police like BSF, CRPF and CISF. And you are talking about you. Everyone knows Jammu Kashmir. People was not feeling safe to go and visit Jammu and Kashmir because lack of security and terrorism. But nowadays, in the time of BJP party, people can travel safely and they are exploring. And the most important thing, we are hosting flag, we are hosting Indian flag at first time in BJP party at Lal Chowk. That is the beauty and duty of BJP party. And you have only words. Ma'am, population is increasing day by day. It also increasing it at your time. But we are also focusing on many things like bacche do hi achhe. We are focusing such a type of thing, but you don't know you have only point to how to defame BJP party.
Sir, what type of job you are providing? Every day, in every month, exam is leaking. That type of job you are providing. That type of and normalization is going on. What is this, sir? This is a discrimination between students. And in Bihar, there are many teachers, and Khan sir is saying ban the normalization. What type of job, sir, you are providing?
Aam Aadmi is working for women empowerment.
So you are talking about paper leaking. It is a strategy of how to defame BJP party. It was totally a strategy of Congress party, how to defame. They were leaking paper and they know we are ruling party. So we talking leaking on paper. Yeah. Yes.
So Mr. Rasis sir, he has mentioned like he has released so many vacancies for the youth. How many vacancies you have clear? I have data. I'm going to tell you firstly. You have to just focus. Okay, sir. Okay. Like your government has come in 2014, and in starting army recruitment paper in August you have leaked. First thing, and 16 NEET 2 paper had leaked. So many things you have. We have so many data. I'm going to tell you. Firstly, listen to me. Like May 27 or May 17, Army recruitment paper leak. December 18, Gujarat Police Constable paper leak. September 2020, National Administrative Center paper leak. November 21, UP TET paper leak. May 2022, BPSC combined principal paper leak. 23, Assam HSLC paper leak. 14, February 24, RO paper leak. So many things. June 24, UGC net paper leak. So many things you have done, and you're just saying that you are blaming the just opposition party. They are doing something. They are demeaning yourself. No, it is your fault. You are not taking action against to them. Means it's your fault. You are involved in all these things.
We implement that rule. If a person got caught to leak a paper, he will imprisonment for 5 years and he will have to pay 20 lakh rupees. So we are doing great hour. You can't say that we are not doing anything.
Maybe it's a mistake of one time, two time, but we can see like again and again, so many papers are leaking again and again. So what are the plan of like, are you promising like in future there will be no like incident happen will like that?
I want to ask one more thing. In the time of Congress, paper was not leaking.
Was leaking, but not the number of time at that time leaking on your government, in your government.
But it was leaking, na, and we are focusing on that type of situation.
Thank you very much. Please. Mr. Akash, thank you for joining us. Please have a seat. Please, from Congress Party to fail, please come. Please.
Everybody is just talking about the job paper leaking. So what about the poverty? What about the inflation? What about the unemployment? So everybody just, what about the communal harmony? What about the hatred which is just going in our country? So I think BJP is the solely responsible of everything that happened now. BJP is the basically communal party. The BJP party destroying the harmony of our country, and they are doing their politics on the basis of caste, religion, and hatred.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. Please, Sheikh Abdullah from BJP party to answer you everything. Please have a seat.
So, sir, answer. What about the hatred of what your party is doing? Why do you have answer of hatred, communal harmony? You are destroying unemployment, poverty. That is increasing day by day, and inflation is also increasing day by day. The debt on the country is increasing day by day. What's your point? What do you have point to say on this?
Just reply.
My colleague is saying that the unemployment is growing day by day in our government, but it's not reality. You can study about our government, because the data says the largest rate of the implementation grow in our government. You can go and check the Google, and you blame, only you have to blaming that our party is not doing nothing, and you forget that our government 2.94 crore houses are being for poor peoples, and you don't forget, and 2.62 crore houses were completely built, and our government during the COVID-19 ration scheme was introduced for the poor people, and those people are not able to take ration in the COVID-19. So our government was providing ration day by day without any cost.
What about the hatred? What about the
And communal harmony also was growing in the government.
I want to. Everyone is silent. Okay. First of all, tell me one thing, that why are you using in your favor CBI and ED like that? You sent our supreme leader Arvind Kejriwal to the jail. What is this happening in the country? This is not fair. Like, you are misusing your power. Like, there are two options. If you are not in the support of their party, there are two options. Either you will in their party or you will in jail. What is this? Tell me the thing about that.
Our intelligence are very intellectual. You can't say and you can't blame that every person has been arrested or by by forcing by our government and CBI and ED, and you should memorize that every person has any mistake can be possible. So if Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, so definitely he has mistake.
Sir, what type of house you made? Government made. Bulldozer is going on. This type of bulldozer is going on, and poor people are just abusing BJP because bulldozer is going on, and you didn't make a single house in rural area. What type of house you made? Tell me.
House is basic requirement of every people, and as the richness of our country, we are trying to provide houses. Minimum requirement houses should two rooms and baranda, kitchen and toilet. So we are trying to provide every person.
Eklag Sahab has come. Please come on the stage. Eklag Sahab has come. Yeah, exactly. Aam Aadmi Party, please have a seat. Yes, he has to say something.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Today I am here to present my party. I mean to say AP Aam Aadmi Party. And you know very well that what is the condition of the Delhi, the capital of the India, Indian capital. What is the condition? You know, everyone is going on going to the Delhi for further studies. Everyone is going to Delhi for increasing their business, and for jobs, for increasing our business. Yes, and you can see, and you know very well that what is going on, what is doing AAP. I mean to say Aam Aadmi Party. And Ojha sir also joined our party. You can see Ojha sir. You can see Ojha sir. Yes, you can see. This time, Ojha sir is very. Yes. You can see, and we are doing well. And I'm in a fable in this. I'm in a fable. Yes.
Sir, could I ask with like Nidan sir from BJP party one question? How many things you have done in Uttar Pradesh when you came in Lucknow, in Uttar Pradesh? Because sir, when you came here, you have done just only discrimination, partiality, and somewhere like religion based, like you are a Hindu, you are a Muslim, like this thing. What is the benefit? You have come also, you have changed something like we have launched 100 number police for the poor people. 100 number police come to at your home within a 10 minutes. You have just changed the name of the 100 number, you have given 112. Means it is your work. You just believe on it, those things you have just changed the name. Where is your Vikas Gadi? When would you do anything for our Uttar Pradesh?
Either give the answer or just resign, okay?
Very good question. Sir, I want to say firstly that you should know that Uttar Pradesh is a single state which is known as the Dabang state before the coming our government. But you can see a number of Bahubali was arrested in my government. And before they are walking on the road without any fear, and the women were not safe. The girls are fearing walking on the road. But you can see today everything. Are you okay? Are you feeling safe? Yes. No. It's not reality. The woman and you are blaming upon our government that we are changing the name. Changing the name is a very important thing for our nation, because changing name we wanna coming back to our culture. Yes, and we are trying to living our Sanskriti, our culture. It is not fact.
Okay, let's ask to the girl, is she safe or not?
I'm not safe. And what, sir? This type of saving is there. Like rape cases is increasing day by day. What about rape cases, sir? What about, sir? Why they are increasing day by day?
Rape cases were rising in every government, not only our government. You are here and you come and go every day. So did you face any problem?